Hi guys, I'm Irav Montano, founder and owner of Montano Training Systems. I'm a strength and conditioning coach. Just come on here quickly to give an honest and truthful review of the Target Light by Red Light Rising. I track everything on my Whoop strap, from my activity, performance, my sleep. Easy process to do. What I do is, whether I'm doing emails or watching TV or catching up with things, or doing guided breathing, I sit in front of this light, 40 to 60 centimeters away, legs crossed, 10 minutes at the front, 10 minutes at the back. But guys, I can assure you this red light is a game changer. So well reasonably priced, this Target light. No reason not to start. Like I said, decreased inflammation, better sleep, increased REM and deep sleep especially. Cannot go wrong. So guys, I highly recommend it. Anyone that's worked with me in the past knows that I would not give or recommend anything to my guys and girls that I would not do or use myself. So I highly recommend it. Cheers guys.